Thank you for joining. This is Blab.Cafe number 65, Tech Toot, WordPress how to embed a blab for Mimi. Yeah, this was something that Mimi asked for last night, so I'm just getting a late start on it, but I'm still getting it done. She asked how I was able to embed this live stream from Blab onto my website. And Corinder actually had just showed me the same day, and it's actually quite simple and very straightforward. So I'm going to do a little bit of screen sharing, so I'm not always going to be able to see this chat bar, and that's just one of the little things that I'm going to work out in the near future by adding another feed and another, yeah, what do you call it, another open channel, so I can look at two different monitors with two different feeds on it at the same time, so I can see what's going on the chat bar all the time. But for now, I'm just basically going to show you how to embed the stream, the live streaming video, from this to that and the other. So what I'm going to try to do also is optimize the screen so you can see what I'm doing, because a lot of times when I do screen shares, the size of the scale of the screen, because it's so small, it's hard to see everything that I'm doing. So I have to readjust and resize things as I go. Arissa Rice, how are you doing? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my, well, first I'm going to start here on this page, because this is where you have to start basically if you want to embed. So I'm on this page and I'm going to transition over to here. I'm going to bring this box down here, grab it and move it over here. So this is where you will find your embed code, this little jobber right here. And before your blab starts, you can also grab the embed code and do it that way as well. So, but we've already started this blab and we want to go live. So what I'm going to do, I'll move this box out, open it up a bit. And when I click on that box, the embed code is going to show up. Whoops. And it's going to show up in infinity. So that's the embed code. And all you do is you right click over that embed code. So I'm going to right click and copy. And then you just have to forget about this. Just click off of the page for a bit. So you've already copied that. So just don't do anything like copy and pasting anywhere else. So now we're going to go over to your actual WordPress based website. So mine's here in the background. And let me see, let me open this page up so you can get an idea what it looks like from this side. It's very large. And it's got a lot of features as far as video playing and stuff goes. So what we need to do is we need to get to the, we basically need to get to the, up here, when we want to edit a page, or we need to get to the dashboard. So basically we need to get to the dashboard. So let me bring this window up here so you can see this. On this, I'm already logged in, so this is where I need to get to the dashboard right here. Just click on that. Yeah, that's my dog. Okay, so it's, there we go. Now we're in the dashboard. So now I already have a page that's designed specifically for live streaming, and I even named it live stream. How clever, huh? So this is for live pitches, and that's for all of you like Peaches. You've actually been doing a pitch. So eventually when your website, or when your video gets uploaded to this website, you'll be able to see it here under live pitches. But what we need to do is go to pages, and I want to go to all pages because I have it listed under something else. And I have it listed under live streaming. So you can see that right here. So here's live stream. That's basically what I gave the name. You could name yours anything you want. You could say you know, live chats. You could say live on Blab. You could give this a title of anything you want. But I just gave mine live stream so people kind of get the idea of what it is. Okay, so you just want to come in here and click on edit. Now just remember, we have not done anything yet to this page. So I'm going to move this down here. And I'm hoping that you're seeing everything that I'm seeing. So now you can see that there's already some text in here. This is a text that's in there from last night or from some other show. So what you want to do is just scroll over that, highlight it, and hit delete. And then just right click and paste that new text into the window. So that's all there is to it. You just copy and paste. So you saw that I copied that embed code from the Blab page, and I'm just clicking and right clicking and pasting it in here. Okay, so then the next thing you have to do is to make sure that it's getting saved. So you have to come over here to the update window and basically click right there, update. Bingo. So it's really that quick. It's that simple with WordPress. I'm just blown away because I thought it was going to be a lot more complicated, but it's not. You're just basically taking the text that Blab gives you and you're pasting it in this box right here. So this is my page that I've been working on. This is called live stream. That's the title of the page. You can add media files and things like that too if you wanted to, but for now this is the most important thing, is just to see that that's actually added. Now I'm going to scroll up and you can see I already added a background image, but that's for my upcoming video today or later on this afternoon. So I'm going to just leave that in there because right now it doesn't matter, because I'm going to come back in and I'm going to remove this particular embed code and put the embed code in again for this evening. But just so you know that it works, what we'll do is we'll go back out to when you come up here, you can go up to this little thing right here, and it says view site or visit site when you hover over your name. So now we want to visit the site and we want to make sure that it's working the way it's supposed to work. And you can see that I have on my drop-down menu, this is a really cool drop-down menu. You just click on that little arrow and you click on live stream. And we should see that load right into here, which is the player box on the page. So there it is, it's coming up. Whoa, 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 whoa. So we have to mute that. So you need to make sure that you mute that right there. There's actually a mute button. So now we're seeing, see, I'm playing the video and I'm seeing myself. So just so you know that it's working properly, I'm going to try to do this seamlessly, or not seamlessly, so you can see me again. Now you can see that I'm on the screen. We can't do that. So basically you're going to have to take my word for it, but it's working perfectly. And it works great. It's amazing. So you're seeing my face in the regular screen, but if you open up my website, which is Blab.Cafe, and go to live stream, you'll be able to see it as well. Howdy, everybody. So it's really bitching. So let's see, how could I do that so you could see that this is actually me? Yeah, there we go. I can move this over, put this in the way. You can see if I scroll down to this little box right here, this should be showing up on the page of the live stream. And yeah, that's right. So it's actually pretty cool. I mean, to be able to put this into a WordPress website so quickly, so simply, it just blows me away. It's really impressive. So that's all there is to it. And then if you want to, when you're done, you can just go back in there and manually, remove that piece of code from that box and update your WordPress website, and then it'll basically turn off that way. But basically, when you're turning off your Blab, there's no more feed coming through. So that's that. That's all, folks. So what I'm going to do now is I'm still in screen share. So I'm going to come back over there. Let's see. Do I need to do anything else? No, I don't really have to do anything else. So while I'm up here, I'm going to grab this little streaming link, copy, and then I'm going to come back over to Blab. Okay, so now I'm back on Blab, and I'm going to give you the link to that. Hey, Lounge Network. So I'm going to give you the link to that, and then you can go check it out for yourself to see that I'm not lying, that I'm right here. I'm live on my own website. So where'd everybody go? So anyways, yeah, that's how you do embedding of a Blab onto a website. Easy peasy. Yeah, it's really nice that that Mimi could be here. Just kidding. No, she's probably busy or something. She said she didn't know what time she'd be available. But anyways, she can watch the replay. So anyways, that's the way you do embedding of a Blab. You just grab that Blab or the Blab embed code, take it over there to your WordPress website and plug it in. And it's that easy. So anyways, thanks for joining. This is Blab.Cafe. Excuse me, I got the hiccups. Okay, I'm all right. This is Blab.Cafe number 65, Tech Toot, WordPress, how to embed a Blab for Mimi. Yeah, so how to embed a Blab live stream onto your website. So thanks for joining. We'll see you later in about, let's see, 2 hours. We'll see you on the regular Blab.Cafe. Bye-bye.